Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode for December 17th, we're going to do the next step in the Elvis Presley Advent calendar. I hope you're all enjoying this. If you are, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you missed the previous episodes, the links are all in the description below. If this is your first time here on the channel, hey, welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind clicking that little subscribe button down below and giving this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. For all of my subscribers, I just want to say thank you to all of you for your support and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you folks. Alright, so let's get into this and see what December 17th has to offer. Alright, let's see, where is December 17th is right there, so let's pull that one out. See what's in the box. Okay, we've got a micro switch, oh, and a button. Alright, so it looks like we've got our power button, or our on-off switch. I think it's just a momentary switch, so okay, that's cool. So we get to install that today. Great. Let's set that aside for a minute, close up our box, put it back in our calendar box here, and as you can see, we're coming along with this picture. Alright, let's see what the book has to say here. Alright. December 17th. Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay. Alright, so in the movie Clambake from 1967, Elvis plays a rich kid of a billionaire, and he goes on a trip to Florida to kind of find himself, and they got this, this is basically, it's a Corvette. It wasn't a new Corvette at the time, but it was a running concept car that they had built. Now, I'm pretty sure when I was a kid, I actually saw this at a car show in California, and I just remember it looking like it was right out of the future. Even though this is a 1959 Corvette Stingray, it just really looks like a cool car. So he got to use that one in that movie, and that's pretty cool. I'm sure that car is still around somewhere. I have to look that up. All right, so let's see what we're going to do. Basically, this says, yep, we're going to install the on-off switch in our base today. So we're going to mount that, put the switch in first, mount the little micro switch, and then we'll connect it to our sound control module. All right, so let's get going on that, shall we? So let's get our base back over here, and we're going to need a couple screws and our cool screwdriver they give us. All right, so first we need to take the button. Come on, button. Come on out of there, button. Don't be shy. Come on. There we go. We'll take our button in here like this, and it sets down inside there. Then we're going to take our micro switch, and we're going to mount it like this. Does it go that way or this way? Let's see. It goes this way. So you want the switch part facing down and the wires at the top. So we'll just set them down on there. There are two pins that these fall into, so it'll only go on one way. And we'll take our screws, we'll get them started here. One. There's another one. Alright, we want to get that nice and tight. Again, you're screwing into plastic here, so you don't want to over tighten it, but you want it nice and snug, so when you press that button on top, it activates the switch. Alright, feels pretty good. Yep, you can hear it activating the switch. Alright, next step, we're just going to plug this lead into this last plug here on the sound module that says button. So put it in here like so. All right, and that is connected. Just make sure they're all connected. All right, so that is all connected. I'm gonna refrain from pressing the button though, because I want to wait till we're done to see if it works and what it sounds like. So I'll refrain from pressing the button for now. And that is the end of this episode, so I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll open up the next box and see what's in store. Until then, everyone have a great day, be safe out there, and go build something.